image. I created it, this flyer, I created it using AI. So I want to teach you how you can create your own flyer like this using AI. So you see this picture video right up at I take some pictures, I uploaded them on AI. So check, I'm recording my screen now. So this is, I open Chrome, as you can see. So it's loading. And also guys, please share my video so that people benefit. So after na open a Chrome yangu, I type ChatGPT, then parents ask anything up, ndobva plus button ako, then kuti upload my images angu aya. So let's see, select my images ku gallery and ndatora, then into upload. Please guys, share, one benefit. You can make money using these things. You can go to some flyers you have. So you can see my image ID. I upload. Now I'm giving a prompt. A prompt is an instruction that is given to AI. That instruction they no contributor would set the best result ever. Anything. So if you want to know more about prompting, just type prompt in comment section, then I will come to your DM. I will help you exactly how you can do my prompts. I will pay AI. So in up and down such general prompt for the sake of this video and time. Please guys, don't forget to follow and to like. I'm just giving this knowledge for free. So please, what you can do is to help me by following me so that I will grow with you. So this is the prompt using the uploaded image. As you can see in type, create me so up and through I'm making a mistake a little bit. Using the uploaded image now, act as a world class top 1% of flyer makers who has win some awards and create me a professional flyer of this product. So to go on to flyer then katapeza, then we hit enter and arrow ako. So you can see image rowdy raku generate. So let us see what cheap up. So my flyers are, you can go to my companies, you can go to my business people very busy. Then you just say, guys, I create some flyers. Do you want some flyers? Then one order already they will buy from you. Don't hesitate to be humiliated. You will be humiliated, but keep on pushing. That's how business is. All those empires, my business akapushwa akatanga sezvozvi. So flyer rowdy haro rakuita. And then guys, please follow us. So you can see this is it. Wow, max taste, zero sugar, peps. You can see this is 100% professional. 100% professional. You can see. So please guys, this is how you can make a flyer of your own. Then you click and you download the flyer. So right now the flyer is downloading and it's now in my inbox. Follow Startup Plug Media for more tips and how you can make $1 using AI. My flyer, you can sell them at $1 each or even $1 for 2. You will make something of your own. Take this as your side hustle and let's see that at the end of the day unengowane mari. Each and every empire yakawakwa inakutanga so big yakatanga small says all never papa. Thank you guys for your time.